This is my reflection. In A, the biblical passage that captures my module learning journey is 1 Corinthians 13, verse 7. Love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endure all things. This verse reflects how family stays strong despite challenges. It connects with the module's message that love, faith, and understanding help every family remain united in times of change and struggle. In B, letter B, the significant learning activities that I've done in this module. In this module, I created a genogram to understand my family's background, traits, and relationships more deeply. I also participated in our BEC sharing, where I listened to others' family stories and shared my own reflections. These activities helped me see the uniqueness of each family and realize how communication and understanding strengthen family bonds. Letter C. What are the significant realizations, learnings that made an impact in my formation as a letternet in this module? Uh, I realized that every family has its own struggles, but faith, love, and unity help overcome them. As a letternet, I learned that being a part of a Christian family means showing care, respect, and compassion. I also understood that the family is not only the basic unit of society but also a domestic church where faith and values are first learned and lived out. And letter D, how do I feel about my learning experiences and challenges encountered in this module? Uh, at first, I found it challenging to reflect deeply on my family through the genogram, but it helped me understand and appreciate our story better. I felt grateful to recognize how God's love is present even in our imperfections. This module made me more thankful, open, and loving towards my family.